Hey, welcome back to the channel, Glamplanders. Last week I showed you guys how to do the install and mount your Kemimoto Whip lights onto your ATV. So today I want to do a much better job at showing you all the light modes and how these things look when they're actually out on the trail. When I did the video last week, it got totally dark. You couldn't see the ATV. You could see the lights very well, but I want to show you guys the remote, how to control them, and kind of go through all the modes. So let's get started. Okay, we just did a quick 360 of the ATV and everything looks great. Those Kemimoto Whip lights mounted up onto my plastic frame, cargo rack incredibly well. They're lit up, they're bright. So now let me show you guys how to control them. So it comes with a remote control, and basically from this, you have your mode up and down button. And so you can control how your Kemimoto lights look. It'd probably be better if I got in frame and you could see them. But they have, by my count, about 21 different modes that you can go through. Each one of them is a different color or pulsating lights. So you can either match or contrast your friends out on the trail. You might be going for a certain look or you need to be seen. Maybe there's a certain color that you need to have on, so you can do that through your remote. You can go through different, like I said, different modes, but you can also choose just colors. So basically, whatever you would like to have your Kemimoto Whip lights do, they will do. They're an amazing addition to your ATV and will really set you apart on the trail. If you like the video, if you could like and subscribe, I put a link to the whip lights in the description. So if you like these, you can click on that link and pick those up. Again, thanks for watching the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.